He's gonna find the stud finder here. There it is. Today I bring a wall stud finder and a moisture reader. So we're gonna see what you get when you get something like this. So let's go ahead and open it up. As you can see, the device it's a little heavy. I like it. They give you the instructions how to use the module, two different types of instructions in here, and how to use the scanner for the walls. Now, if you guys notice, there is a little opening here in the bottom. Most of these take a 9-volt battery to conduct the actual sensor part of it, and this is because it does require a lot of electricity to actually run. Now, it's very simple to use. There's a hold, and there's a mode, and there's a arrow. So we're gonna turn it on and see how it works. All right, we're gonna turn it on for the first time. As you can see, you hold down the power button. Fahrenheit 67.2. Humidity 0%. Now, when you change the mode, if you guys can see, we got the stud finder here. So it could go from stud finder to back to the actual temperatures and all that stuff. I like this part because it gives you the actual temperatures. If you can see, it's 60, 68. So moisture, it could read some moisture. So this is a good thing if you have mold. If you're growing mold in some of your walls, you want to make sure that it's not going to be affecting you. This is one way you could run the system too. Now, like I said, you're going to have to read the manual to use this, and we're going to do a demo on finding the actual studs. And when you change it back to the mode and it goes into the stud finder, you have to hold down the button to actually find it. If you guys see the meter. All right, so here we found it. Move it around. There you go. He's gonna find the stud finder here. There it is. Straight up. You see the line here? Tells you straight up there's an actual tube in there. Keep moving it. Let's find another one. And he's finding, there it is, the other one. So it's working pretty good. If you can see it, keep moving. Let's find another one. So right now we're gonna put the moisture, and right now there's 0% moisture on here, 9.5, which is pretty good because this is a dry wood. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.